The Sri Padmanabha Swami temple of Trivandrum in South India is a fine example of exquisite architecture that blends Dravidian and traditional Kerala styles. Among its many dazzling features is the Gopuram, the tower, at the temple's main entrance. The tower rises 100 feet above the ground, with a foundation that goes nearly 40 feet deep. Ornate sculptures adorn the walls of the Gopuram. The Gopuram was a later addition to the main temple, which itself is 1,000 years old. The construction of the Gopuram was started in the mid-16th century during the reign of the Travancore king Adityavarma and was largely completed in the 18th century during the rule of King Aniyam Thirunal Martandavarma. There are 7 floors to this tower structure, with a pair of window-like openings at the center of each floor on its opposite sides. On the exact 2 days of the equinox, one gets to see the setting sun aligned and passing exactly through each of the windows in roughly 5-minute intervals. On other days, the setting sun is blocked out from our view by the tower. Equinoxes are the 2 days of the year when the day and night are of approximately equal duration. On these days, the sun rises exactly east and sets exactly west. The equinoxes correspond to the 2 points where the projection of the Earth's equator on the sky intercepts the projection of the Earth's orbit around the Sun. The 2 equinoxes occur on dates close to March 21st and September 23rd every year. To make this alignment happen, the Gopuram had to be constructed at right angles to the exact east-west line, a feat requiring precision engineering. The inner sanctum of the temple, a much earlier construction, is also aligned this way. Beyond its fine aesthetics, the tower of the Padmanabha Swami temple is a testimony to the architectural brilliance and scientific knowledge of the sculptors who built this beautiful edifice 3 centuries ago.